Nong ektin jong sorkar jela uba pol lingdo. Haba keren segilat pathai khubor hanong ba mendagasngi halor ke jingbu bet jong sorkar na ke bynta ke jing Shngain jong gipaj ba haba syong dagi kali kamai ba barok gi kali kamai hapo ke jela ki de pandapu ya ki jingtip halor Nongniah. Igini ke sorkar galabu por ba on pentri kamno hadin si benai belabu igini ke jing penbana. Kini ke jingtip halor Nongniah kali kamai kalong ba Nongniah ude banto batta ya ki jingtip sepang jong u hapo ke kali jong u. Kiba kentup ya ke driving license ke phun number ke Kyrteng bat ke cekasa da ke babu jingkermen ba da ke balik kumni ki nong Leit nongwan kinla ban itu yo Nongniah kali ladawan ki khep ki banja ki jingja ki basniu ni kiwe ki jington kam.
On a very important initiative that we have decided to undertake, which would help to further enhance the security and safety of all travelers within and to Meghalaya. And that is that with today's meeting, we will immediately issue wide publicity, a notice that will see the compulsory compliance by all commercial vehicle owners, where they will have to mandatorily display all information about the driver of each commercial vehicle, including his license, his contact details, name and address. This information will help to minimize any possibility of criminal activities being committed using these commercial vehicles, and it will also upscale the sense of security amongst travelers, whether locals or travelers to Meghalaya.
How they are safe? How they are safe on this new government?
The whole idea is that anybody can board a commercial vehicle, and there is a sense of security when you know who is driving you around. This is what is being practiced in many cities across the world, and with the rise of footfall of visitors to Meghalaya, it will be another addition to the sense of security that travelers will have when we have such kind of a mechanism in our ecosystem.
But
can you be more specific when you mention commercial vehicle? What kind of commercial vehicle, and whether this will be applicable in the whole state?
Yes, this will be applicable throughout the state of Meghalaya. By commercial vehicles, I mean all kinds of vehicles which obtain the permit from the transport department through the respective DTOs, and for which transporting passengers is a means of livelihood for them. That is the definition of a commercial vehicle. It also means that it excludes privately owned vehicles, government owned vehicles, and vehicles owned by government corporations and undertakings.
See, it is the first initiative you take that. Are you aware that the public they will take responsibility, they will obey that new rule now?
We are sure that the public will cooperate because this is in the interest of all law-abiding citizens. And now anybody, a lone girl, can board a taxi at any point of time, because immediately upon boarding a cab, for instance, she will share all details of the vehicle she's traveling in with her family members, for instance. And therefore we will minimize any possibility of any criminal activities occurring during the course of her traveling.
Before you implement, you have called a meeting with the organization, with the
No, but this is what has already been done in other parts of the country. It's very much in sync with the need to upscale security of all citizens and travelers, and therefore it makes sense that in order to enhance that sense of security, we have such a system in place.
What is difficult in our state? But anything which government have implement, they think there is a new thought, there's a new initiative. I think people they will not understand.
Well, there will always be naysayers everywhere, but it is a positive initiative, and we are sure that people will come forward to support this initiative.
If you don't violate of the what the government will.
This will attract several clauses of the MV Act, and we will also ensure that those who do not abide by this arrangement after the expiry of this period of 1 month, they will not be allowed to fly commercially any longer.
Well, when will this be implemented?
As soon as we notify, we will give 1 month's time from the date of notification. Meaning if the notification comes out tomorrow, it will be 1 month from tomorrow.
What about the two-wheelers?
They will also be part of this arrangement, but we will first start with four-wheelers, because these are the most popular means of traveling, and also once we are successful with four-wheelers, we will come to the second phase to include two-wheelers as well.
Rainbow of Sound Music Academy Padon Maubri Bhoi District Bajupulong Shisi and She's the Yellow Holiday Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri Abhot Kawar sngewbha ban admission ye pi baro ki knaret pat ki balarong baru ki bakwa bunyo ejina jing tep shipang music but theory but practical Hakaniga Music School pinsayo shibor ki jing kai paper kum ka keyboard guitar onyx solfa khasi traditional instruments Indian classical vocal drum but violin Kaniga Music School ki jupulong ro street performance per ki music concert amal law snam kum kadak ban ailar ki khna ki bapulia Kaniga Music School Shim bynta kiran san ban peni gisap ki pong ki bagidon ipriang sngewbha pi baro ki bakloi ban pulie agani music school ban tep khambanya sngewbha ban phun agini number publish bun